Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tutoring Hub. My name is Miss Rebecca, and we're going to be breaking down different levels of math skills. Please don't hesitate to leave questions in the comments.
Welcome back to Math with Miss Rebecca, okay? So we are working on expressions, right? So today we're going to do solving expressions. Writing expressions is your first step, okay? Then today we're going to plug in numbers and solve, okay? So let's look here. So we have some examples. 3x plus 4, and we're going to plug in 5 for x. So when x equals 5. So don't forget our order of operations, and we're doing them left to right, okay? So let's plug it in. So 3 times 5 plus 4. Now, I'm going to write or because we can write this a few different ways. So I like to use parentheses, or I like to use the dot. So 3 times 5 plus 4. You can still write it with the multiplication, the typical one that you learn in elementary school. 3 times 5 plus 4. But when you're working with expressions and equations, you might not be sure if that means to multiply or if it's a variable. So I typically will use the parentheses or the dot for multiplying, okay? So now we do our order of operations. So left to right, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Okay. Well, here I'm just multiplying and then adding. Okay. So 3 times 5 is 15. So now let's rewrite it. So 15 plus 4. And then what's 15 plus 4? Well, that's 19. And we solved that easy. Let's do one more together. Our next one, 2 times a minus 3 when a equals 6. Okay. Now I'm going to rewrite my order of operations just so I keep it in my mind, okay? Now, 2 times a minus 3, and we're going to rewrite it with a equals 6, okay? Where a equals 6. So 2 times 6 minus 3. So now this one, we're just multiplying and then subtracting. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then 12 minus 3, well, 12 minus 3 is 9. And we are done. And now I want you to try this one on your own and then check your answer with mine. Okay. So 4x plus 2 when x equals 3. And I'm going to write my order of operations just to have that there just in case. And remember, we still go left to right. Okay. So first step, rewrite your problem. 4 times 3 plus 2. Now you start working. 4 times 3 is our first step. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then we're going to still add 2. So now 12, add 2, we get 14. Evaluating expressions is one of the biggest steps in algebra and going on. But if you can master this in 6th grade, then you're doing it ahead of the game. So, thanks for joining. See you later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit the Tutoring Hub online at thetutoringhub.com. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. If you have a suggestion for a video, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments or send us a DM. And we also offer advocacy and tutoring. Thank you.